Our nature is bliss. Our nature is truth. Our nature is eternity. Our nature is knowledge, not ignorance. Now think, we live in this body. What is the nature of this body? Jati. Jati means the quality. What is the quality of this body? The body is born, the body is growing, the body is maturing, the body is degenerating, the body is prone to diseases, the body is getting old, the body will die, the body will be burnt or will be buried. Even if you live with this body, can you always remember this body is going to die? Jati means the quality. You think of Jati means the caste or the gender. Which caste, which gender the soul has? What is the gender of soul? Do you know? What is the gender of soul? It is feminine, masculine, or... In Sanskrita, the soul is... Who will tell? Atman. Brahman. It is neutral. Atman, do you know, in German language, there is gender. In German language, there is gender. Every object has a gender. Just like in Hindi or Sanskrit. Once I asked, what is the gender of yogurt? What is gender of yogurt in German? What is gender? Dear yogurt. D yogurt. Yogurt is one, it has triple gender. Tvam stri, tvam pumanosi, tvam jirna dandena vanchasi. What is the gender of divinity? Tvam stri, tvam pumanosi, tvam jirna dandena vanchasi. Tvam. That mantra, another mantra in Upanishad, Nachaivayam napunsaka. Naiva stri. Neither Tvam stri is you are female. Tvam pumanosi, you are male. Tvam jirna dandena vanchasi, you are in the old, holding the staff, walking. So, what is the gender of soul? It is said again, Naiva stri, neither you are feminine, na pumanosi, nor you are masculine, nachaivayam napunsakaha, neither you are napunsaka. Napunsaka means neutral. Yat yat sariram adatte, tena tena sagruhyate. As the body you hold, you appear like that. So what is the gender of Atma? What is the appearance of Atma? Nothing. Pure consciousness, it has no gender.